Aloha, this is my 1995 Harley Davidson Sportster XLH 1200 that I did a frame off restoration on. And when I started it for the first time, it ran like a champ for about 5 minutes. This expensive coil that I bought brand new for it for over 200 bucks, like I said, worked for about 5 minutes. So I have to get a new one of those. Got the headlight put back in today. That's a digital headlight. This motorcycle only has 2,811 miles on it. I had to put a new battery in it. I replaced that. I just haven't put the cover back on yet. I had a custom seat and sissy bar built for it. All new tires, shocks, exhaust, carburetor. I changed out every single nut, bolt, and washer with polished stainless steel. And I think I've got about 15,000 in it. Aloha and stay safe.